Hi, I'm Sylvain from PALO IT, and today I'm with my colleague Azi. And we are very excited because we are organizing the first public screening of the week in Singapore. And so Azi, can you tell us a little bit more about the week?
Of course, I would be delighted. Thanks, Sylvain. The week is an immersive group experience where you get to engage on the issue of climate change. We will understand the impact of climate change not just in the next 10 years, but also the next 20 and 30 years as well. And just as importantly, you'll be learning about what we can do collectively about this really important issue. So last year, we were lucky enough to actually get access to the prototype of the week, and that was very interesting. Maybe Sylvain, you can tell us a bit more about the format?
So yeah, indeed, we are very lucky to run the prototype last year. And I think I want to highlight three things I really liked about the prototype. One is that it's a collective experience. It's not just you sitting on the couch and watching a documentary about the climate crisis. It's like you are with your family members or with some colleagues, co-workers, friends, and you process the information together. And that's the second aspect, is that it's interactive because there is a facilitated debrief after each film where you can really integrate and share, your emotions and how you feel, after watching this the films. And the third one is that we know that a lot of tools or workshops or movies around the climate crisis, it's all about creating awareness. But the challenge is how to move from awareness to action. And I think that that's something that the week does really well, is that it feeds us with a lot of ideas, to move from awareness to action.
Just talking a bit more about my personal experience of the prototype last year. I'm not gonna lie, Sylvain was like, I cried, I teared up. It goes, there's 3 videos, and I think at the second video where he talks about the impact, I had recently just given birth to my baby girl, and there was a sense of horror as to, what have I just done? How could I have brought life into this world that's facing all these impending changes? So it was a very dark time, I would say. But of course, it helped that we were in a group setting, and like I said, it really helped to see that, I'm not alone in this. There are other people just as worried, and as Sylvain mentions, it also talks about what you can do about it, right, and how you can get inspired to actually enact change to sort of be a more proactive person in dealing with this issue.
Yeah, thanks Azi for sharing. How was your experience like deep inside? I think for me it was towards the end of the journey of the week, the actions, and I remember they highlight actions with your community. Let's say, for instance, your church. Actions with your co-workers, with your colleagues, what you can do in the workplace very concretely, and also of course what you can do with your family and with your friends, and that really gave me a lot of ideas, again, to move from awareness to action. So what can you expect with the week? It's a 3-day long journey. So from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We're gonna watch every day. We're gonna watch one film. The first one is going to be about what's going on at the moment with the climate crisis. The second one will be about where are we going, and the third one is about actions. 60-minute long movie. Then we take a break. We process our emotions, and there is a facilitated conversation about what happened, and we harvest all the gold nuggets from our collective intelligence, our experience, our emotions. So this is what you can expect from the week.
So we look forward to seeing you guys there. Expect to be moved. Expect to have very deep, meaningful conversations with your colleagues or your family, whoever it may be. And most importantly, we hope that you will take action on this very important issue.
Join us for this first public screening. We want to have as many people as possible and make it a great collective experience.